In Meghalaya, football holds immense cultural and sporting significance. The region boasts a vibrant football tradition with community-driven clubs and tournaments playing a central role. Meghalaya also enjoys a fervent fan following and has nurtured skilled players who have excelled in both national and international arenas. The Mawkynrew Cup, initiated in 2017 by the MLA of Mawkynrew Constituency, Banteidor Lyngdoh, has been a boon for the local youth, providing them with opportunities to represent the club at the Shillong League in Polo Grounds, Shillong. Once again, on 27th of October 2023, the Mawkynrew Cup Committee will host the 4th edition of the tournament. The convener of the committee, Yakumenlang Wankar, informed reporters on Tuesday that the scheduled Mawkynrew Cup will be held on October 27, with Jongsha FC and Kamau FC facing off in the opening match at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Wankar also mentioned that various events will precede the match.
Mawkynrew Committee kelayu ingai suana doa cat new seven seni kini embau longseng cungi ba Banteidor Lyngdoh rekan ikurim cungi tinggal lagi ingai ba haka arca putra penila sedang yang kini first Mawkynrew Cup tournament nanti akan berusaha ke second pada hati itu cuma second depan lawan ini dalam covid tinggal melihat peluang tinggal lagi peluang yang third Mawkynrew Cup football tournament harus nama arca kuar pulai tempat mereka ketika sini berpasang pulang, ada mengelak pulang ketika sini berlai ini cengai kalau babun kicing gelar katakan kamu tahu kicing lekai, bahwa Shillong League babun kena katakan Mawkynrew ini layu isi mereka, pada kita di pelai lekai Shillong League, kamu beruntung warapi kalau long kapten berrepresent demi Meghalaya support National League, but full mukim di Bendroy, Nospung, bat kiwe kebun dipelihara di Balabin nanti bat bayi lekai Shillong League nadu ke first division, second, third, bat fourth oke walaupun termod ku sok bagi permi lembaga ni ka Mawkynrew Cup football tournament kalau keba ini keba kapuyang ka Mawkynrew Cup football tournament ya kisenrang ni ai arlak mata bawan baar ni ai silak mata hagi kentai ni ai lai pawaja bawan baar ni ai pawaja tim ki kentai kendal kendal tali nanti tim kisenrang kenwan saupo tali tami format juga football tournament ka Mawkynrew Cup football tournament kan deka knockout football tournament